Hi guys, so today is Friday and I filmed a very long vlog the other day, and I just want to kind of put this bit into the other day's vlog because I'm splitting it into two. So if you see two vlogs today, the reason being is I wanted to put my apartment tour, my empty apartment tour, in one video, and then like the actual vlog of the day in another video. I hope this makes sense, because I know an awful lot of people don't really want to watch apartment tours. So at least if you want to see my empty apartment tour, you can watch it, and then if you want to see the vlog from that day, you can watch it. So just in case you're seeing two vlogs from me today and you're very confused, and sorry I keep touching my hair. My hairdresser is going to kill me. She's like, please stop touching your hair, you're damaging your hair. Anyway, if you're seeing two vlogs from me today, that is why. And also you'll see me looking like this in like a few days time. It's just all very confusing, but I just felt like I needed to kind of do an introduction before I do my empty apartment tour, because I feel like it kind of needs an introduction. Also, I didn't include the haul in this vlog. The reason why I didn't include the haul is because it's not completely and utterly finished and it wasn't empty, so therefore it's not technically an empty apartment tour if the haul is full. But I will include the haul when I do my furnished apartment tour, because that will be coming soon as well. I hope you guys enjoy this empty apartment tour. I'm also making my bed, or putting my bed together, bringing in the couch, a couple of little bits and bobs in it. So I hope you guys enjoy this little vlog, and if you want to see the vlog from today, as in the day, oh god, and if you want to see the vlog from the 26th of September, then I will link that down below. It'll be the previous video. I hope this all makes sense. It will when you're watching it, it just doesn't make sense right now. Anyway, I'm gonna go and do the empty apartment tour from the past, and we're now in the future. So we're going up the stairs. We still need to finish painting this because obviously the carpet guy was in today. So as we go up the stairs, we painted the two shelves here. So we have this shelf, a white shelf, which needs a tiny another coat of white on it. And then we have this blue shelf up here. And then you come around, again, we still have to top up this. But look at the carpets, guys. The carpets are in. The last time you were here, there was no carpets. So this is our bedroom. You would have seen this before, and it did not look like this the last time. And we have our new carpets in. Obviously I have to use the hoover to kind of pick up any little like bally bits, but that is what the bedroom is looking like, nice and big. And I love the grey. Again, well, it's kind of like a beigey grey against the soft hessian. It looks really nice. Out into the hall, straight across from our bedroom, we have the bathroom, which you can finally see in all its glory. So this is what it looks like. Mosaic done, cleaned down, grouted. This is our little surround that John did. And then my mirror, which I spray painted white, which is going to be hung up on that wall. It's just not ready to be hung yet, and it's only here for this video because I'm afraid in case it would fall. Back here I have my little bin. And then this is just a toilet roll holder, and then we have the little holder for the, what you call it, hand towel sink, and then the window here, and then our shower, which still needs a rail going across. But everything is super duper in here, and I love the little handrail as well for the, what you call it, floor mat. So that is the bathroom. And then around the corner here we have our sitting room, which I can't remember what it looked like the last time you guys seen it, but this is what it looks like now. So television's going over here, and then our couch is going into this corner where I'm sitting. John's currently opening it in the hall. And our stove, which we lit and painted the surround grey. So this is just all the beautifulness that is our sitting room. And back out here in the hall, I'm going to put like a little unit just here, like maybe a shelf or something, so I could just put like, I don't know, like a little mirror maybe over it, or put maybe candles on it or something cute, just to kind of, you know, give something a bit of space in the hall, like some feature or something. I hate the switch here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to see, can I cover this in silver paint or something silver, just to kind of decorate it up a bit. And then in we go to the kitchen, which the floorboards still need a second coat, but they're pretty much done. This needs a second coat, naturally, and I need to clean up the sink a wee bit. There are shelves going up here, which I absolutely love, this kind of little unit and the way the kitchen sink is away from everything else. laundry basket, which has to go downstairs. This is a unit, the brown one you would have seen, and I painted it this cream colour or white, and I'm going to, I think, clean up the handles a wee bit and bring them up back to life. And then our kitchen, which I don't know what it looked like the last time you've seen it. It still needs to be hooked up to electricity, but it's pretty much ready to go. This press is going to be switched around, so John's going to put the handle on this side and then the press opens that way. But that's all in due course. So there you go, guys. Empty apartment tour. Now I'm going to go down and get the couch. I just brought up our couch and John's gone down to get a screwdriver, or not a screwdriver, a drill, so you can drill the legs on. Our couch is a little bit darker than the room and it just kind of matches the fire. I wanted something dark so it was easy to kind of clean. I'm just so excited about it. I can't wait for it to be all put together. And I just brought the, I brought the bed in here, just like one part of it. There's like 4 boxes or something and they're really heavy, so I just brought that one up here. I can't wait to actually have, I'm so excited to put blinds or curtains up here and have like nice big drapes. It's gonna be so pretty. I just love it so much, and it's so cozy as well. I can just imagine like little candles and stuff lit and all the beautiful smells in here. Here we go. There's our footstool. Is that on right?
Yeah.
Doesn't? Oh yeah, it is.
And it sits above.
Oh.
Think. I know, show it on there.
John, squash me. Oh, look at the hands, look at the arms. They look so nice. This is the short corner. Is this the short corner? Yeah. This is our last bit of the L-shaped couch. And then all the recycling. Ooh. Can we make a den? This is perfect. Now it's cushion time. So perfect, like it's actually beautiful. There's our couch. How exciting. And you know what? I'm gonna remember this of how to put these cushions on. It's like a jigsaw. Moving on to the next challenge. Our bed. It's all white as well, which is gonna be so nice. So we're gonna put this together now, which I feel like it's gonna be like a massive jigsaw. A fun jigsaw. These look really, really interesting. Oh, I love when I get these fun jobs to do. The bags are labelled B, D, E, J, what's that, F? What's that on? K. What is the point of this? There we are, all laid out. I'm presuming this is G since it has no thingy on it. And our bed coming along. You've made great progress in here. There's our bed, all done. I'm ready for the mattress. And I haven't decided the layout of this room yet, but what I'm thinking, bedside locker here, here, wardrobes here. And then, I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Who knows? You could put a stand for TV or a mirror here. I don't know yet. Haven't figured out the layout, but I am super happy with the bed and the couch as well, and just the carpets and the whole place in general. That's it. Couch assembled, bed assembled. Lovely new couch. And I'm gonna love yous and leave yous and talk to you all tomorrow. Mwah. Bye.